Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kombucha Scoby from scratch. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need 1 cup of unflavored raw kombucha, which is crucial for providing the live cultures. Also, prepare 7 cups of filtered water, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, and 4 black tea bags. Don't forget a large, clean glass jar, a breathable cloth, and a rubber band to secure it. These simple items are all you need to begin. Now, let's prepare the sweet tea base for our Scoby. Bring 7 cups of filtered water to a boil in a clean pot. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar until it fully dissolves. Add 4 black tea bags and let them steep until the tea cools completely to room temperature. This cooling step is vital. Hot tea can harm the beneficial bacteria in your starter kombucha. With your sweet tea cooled, it's time to combine the ingredients. Pour the cooled tea into your large, clean glass jar. Next, gently add 1 cup of your unflavored raw kombucha. Cover the mouth of the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or paper towel, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Place the jar in a warm, dark location, ideally around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and leave it undisturbed for 2 to 4 weeks. During the fermentation period, you'll observe a thin, cloudy film forming on the surface of the liquid. This is your baby Scoby beginning to grow. Over the next few weeks, it will gradually thicken and become more opaque. Your Scoby is ready to use when it measures about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Once it reaches this size, you can carefully transfer your new Scoby and some of its liquid to brew your very first batch of delicious homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.